Hello everyone. To know the Kali Linux, first you have to learn the basics of this so that while using it you won't get any error or problem while using any functions in Kali Linux. In previous videos we have seen the basic commands of Kali Linux. So in this video we will see the remaining 3-4 commands and the configuration part so that you can get used to with your Kali Linux operating system. So let's start. We will go to settings and we will see the mouse and touchpad settings. If you have any wireless or wired mouse, you can attach this and you can see that device here and go to touchpad. And if you disable this option, you won't be able to select any option if you are using your keyboard. Then we will see some usual applications. In each application there are different tools are given which are inbuilt in Kali Linux, like information gathering, vulnerability analysis, web application, database assessment, password attack, wireless attacks. So you can get all the software in this Kali Linux which are inbuilt. Then on the status bar there are different icons which shows your calendar, your network connections, your sound notifications. We will see the configuration of terminal, so you can split it horizontally, vertically, or in 4 terminals so that you can execute multiple commands at a time. And from this preferences you can change the appearance of your terminal, like you can change the font style and the size of that font. You can select from that list, and just like this font you can change the different like color scheme, the scroll bar positions, and the transparency of a terminal. You can set a background image for your terminal. So just like these options you can change the appearance of your terminal. Now we will change the view of our terminal. So go to your view tab and then you can see options like tabs layout, scroll bar layout, and the keyboard cursor shape. So from that options like block cursor, underline cursor, and the I-beam cursor, you can select one option and you can see the result that your cursor shape is changing. Now here at the bottom you can see three options like lock screen, the logout, and the all settings. So go to all settings. It is a shortcut option, and then go to appearance, and when you click on any style you can immediately see that there is a changing in the appearance of your screen. So select any style for your desktop and then we will see the font. So there are different fonts which are provided in Kali Linux. So if you want a simple or a bold or italic font, you can select from this list. So I am selecting a simple one. And if you want to change the size of your font, you can change, and you can see in this that your size of font is changed. Then we will see there are different options given. Now we will see the desktop setting, and from this you can change the wallpaper or you can set. Now we will see commands. So give command as cat. Cat is a concatenate which is used to create a single or multiple file. So here I have created a cal name file, and now I am entering some text inside that cal. So I am writing hi, how are you, and control D to save this file. Then we will list out. Now there you can see that there one cal name file is created in our root folder. Now we will create one more file using this leafpad. The leafpad is a text editor. First you have to download this leafpad and then you can use it. So I am entering a text like welcome to Kali Linux. Just save this whichever folder you want. So I am saving on desktop. Now, okay, I have to change my directory to open this Linux file. So I will change directory using cd and then desktop. So I can get into this desktop, and then you can see there is one Linux file. Now we will reopen that Linux file, and you can see that we have entered the text as welcome to Kali Linux. Now we will use the grep command. This is a global regular expression print which is used to find the matching pattern from your file. So I am writing welcome, and then I will specify the name as Linux. So I have entered the text as a welcome to Kali Linux, so it is showing the result. So here I have used -I, so that if welcome is in any font, it will show the result. Now I am adding some more lines so that you can get the result. So this I is used if you have entered the W as a capital, then also it will show if you are using -I in your grep command. Now here I have entered welcome, so we will search. So I am again writing this grep -I welcome Linux. Now here we can see that we have entered 3-4 lines, and in whichever line we have used this welcome word, it shows that these much lines have this word welcome in our Linux file. Similarly, you can give any pattern or any word, and it will find that word from your specified file name. Now we will see in our ABC file, but we have not used any welcome word in this our ABC file, so it's not showing any result. Here only hello everyone, how are you? Now we will change to directory and give command as grep -I well. Now here this time we will enter only well, so we will see is it giving a error or output. So it give output, and in ABC there is no welcome or well word, so it is not giving any output. We will check for how in this ABC, and it shows result that's hello everyone, how are you, because we have used the how word in our ABC file. Using grep-c, you can get the count of words from your specified file. Now I am giving a grep-c welcome Linux, so it is showing 2. Now I have written as cat and Linux. So what will it do? It will overwrite the previous message. It means whatever I have written previously, it will just overwrite it. It won't give you the previous text back. Now let me add some message here. In previous one we have seen the touch and the nano. This lift pad is also one of them, and this cat also works like that. So we will list out, and now on the desktop we have saved this Linux file which we have created. So don't forget that if you have previously created file and if you again created it using cat, it will overwrite the file. Here I will show you how it is overwritten. Yes, in the previous cal file we have written earth is beautiful and where is the book, but now we have write the different text and it is overwritten. So in this way this command works. So if you want to change the directory or go to previous directory, give command as cd space dash dot dot. And last one is the ping. This ping will help you to check your network connection. So I am ping, giving command as ping, and then I am specifying my own IP address. So it shows that my network connection is working. Otherwise it will give my error. Now let me disconnect my network, and again I will give command as ping, and now you can see it shows that ping connect network is unreachable. Here we have completed the Kali Linux basics. Thank you for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more such videos.